In this video, we're going to have a look at how to work out an area of a parallelogram. To work out the area of a parallelogram, you do base times height. It's really important that this height is perpendicular to your base. That means it's at a right angle. Any lengths that are given that are on a diagonal or a slant, you can ignore, so cross them off at the start. Let's have a look at some examples to show us how to do this. In my first question, I have a parallelogram with a base of 11 meters and a height of 5 meters. I know that these are the lengths that I need to use because they're at right angles to one another, so they're perpendicular. I'm also given a length of 6, however, because this is on a slant or a diagonal, I can cross it off because I don't need it. Now, to work out the area, I need to do base, which is 11, times by height, which is 5. I know that 11 times 5 is 55, and because my lengths are both in meters, my units are going to be meters squared. That's because it's an area. In my second example, I have another parallelogram, this time with base 3 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. I know that this is my base and height because they're both at right angles to one another, so they're therefore perpendicular. Again, I'm given an additional length of 7, which I don't need to use in my calculation because it's on a slant or a diagonal, so I can simply cross it off. So, to work out the area of my parallelogram, I do base, which is 3, times by height, which is 6, and this gives me an answer of 18 centimeters squared. Again, because both of my lengths are in centimeters, the units of my answer are going to be centimeters squared because it's an area.